screws us. So we're gonna have to dust it or gel the corner or something. Up higher. Go. Let go. We got some crap here. There's been issues in this. See it?
Are people getting bitten here?
Instead they're getting some issues in here. Or maybe they just want to do them. I don't know.
Great.
Look at that.
Don't touch anything you don't have to.
Oh, there is one. No encasements?
I'm gonna tell them to. Go to the other side. Let's pull these off. Another one right here. Careful. Pull it your way. Wad it up. Take it. You know what, Sam? Start gelling all the corner caps on this. Get into the leg at the bottom.
Yep, going around it.
All the way over. Put it on top of that. Stacking. No, I'm going to stack this first. Do the top, the corner, this stuff first. Is that a bed bug right there? Yep. Do this top part. center leg too. Did you do that? Yeah. Vacuum all the cracks in the chair. Is that a bug?
No,
Adam?
no. Whatever that is.
Yeah. Corners. We have some issues there. So we just want to make a paint around this whole edge so nothing go in or out of it. Just do the whole frame.
Right here?
Yeah, the whole thing. There you go, that's enough. And keep going. So you got a thick, kind of a thick.
Go.
All right, what we did was we did a physical removal of the gaps in the paneling that are in this wall. There's a lot of gaps, so we tried to vacuum out those areas, baseboard areas, areas underneath the double box spring for this mattress, the corners, the bed frame itself. We then applied some diatomaceous earth with the machine into the voids. The paneling is loose, it's away from the wall, it's a great spot for bed bugs to try to hide the behind the headboard as well. We also dusted within the box spring underneath. We took the dust covers off, applied the dust. We also did the corner caps of the box springs with the gel, and we also gelled all the legs and corners of the bed frame itself, so that any bed bugs that are going to walk towards the bed to get the person sleeping will encounter the material and subsequently be forced out. Also, there was a picture frame with some fecal matter and blood spot on it, so we went ahead and put a barrier around it as well. As we inspected the nightstands and the chairs, since they're in close proximity to the bed. We didn't find anything there, but we also did do a physical removal with the vacuum cleaner. That's pretty much it.